Assalamualaikum and very good morning, my student. So how are you today, students?
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you.
Fine, thank you, teacher.
Yeah, so are you ready to learn for today?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's go, okay? For a minute, I will share my screens. So can you see my screens?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
teacher.
So today we will learn about transformation that involving translation and reflection. Okay, but before we start our class, okay, I will give you in 10 minutes and I want you to watch this video. The link I will share in the chat box, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, your time start from now. So class, your time is up. So here I will give you 5 figures and I want you guys figure out each of the figure is translation or reflection. Okay, the first one, Mama Zik, what kind of transformation is this?
Translation?
Yes, correct. Okay, next, Mama Fizi, what kind of translation is this?
Reflection?
Reflection. Okay, correct. Okay, next, Balkis.
This one
Figure
is
3.
reflection.
Reflection. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, correct. Okay, figure number 4. Muhammad Zaifah, are you here?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what kind of transformation is this?
Let me think. Translation.
Translation. Okay, correct. So it means that you guys understand the video, is it? Okay, next. At the end of the learning, you will be able to recognize translation and reflection, and then will be able to solve problem involving translation and reflection. Okay, in transformation, there are 3 types of transformation that you need to know, which is first one, translation, reflection, and rotation. But right now, for today, you will learn only translation and reflection. The first one, translation, is the transfer of all points on a plane in the same direction and through the same distance. So for example, like here, you are given this object. So the direction will be either to the left, so the value will be positive and negative, and to the right, the value will be negative, and to the upwards, positive value, and to the downwards, negative value. And then under translation, the image will have same shape, size, and orientation as the object, and it will be written as a vector, which is A and B. A, the object will be moved to the left and right, and B is object move to the upwards and downwards. So if coordinate of object and image are given, we can find translation by using this formula. So you must remember this formula, okay? Okay, for the example, you are given P prime is 36 is the image of P 29, determine the translation. So as I said before, the formula is translation is equal to image minus object. So you just substitute the value and you get, therefore, translation is equal to 1 and -3. So number 2, reflection. Reflection occurs when all the points on the plane are reversed in the same plane on a line that called axis of reflection. Okay, so for example, like you are given this object and I want it to be reflected through y-axis. So the image will be like here. So as you can see, the distance from the object to the axis of reflection, which is y, is same as the distance from the axis to the image. Okay, if I want it to be reflected through x-axis, so the image will be like this. Okay, Next, the properties of image of reflection is the image is the same shape and same size as the object. And then the image has different orientation, inverted side, and form mirror image with one another. Okay, for example, like you are given this question, which is they ask you to construct an image for the object below under a reflection of PQ. So the image will be reflected through a PQ. So this is how the image will be. Okay. Then we will move on to the activity. Okay, for now, I will give you another 10 minutes to answer the 10 MCQ on Google Form. Okay. This link I have already shared through the chat box. Can you do that, students?
Okay, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Okay, students, your time is up. I already received all your response. Okay, let's see. Okay, so far so good. It seems like you understand what we have learned today. Okay. So let's we wrap up our lessons for today. Okay. The first one, which of the transformation the object will be moved upwards or downwards? So Baki Zuleka, which transformation do you think?
If it move up and down, it is translation.
Translation?
Yes, translation.
Yes, is correct. Okay, the next one is which of the transformation will be reflect an object through an axis? Okay, I want Muhammad Rahmat. Okay, Muhammad Rahmat.
I think the answer is reflection.
Reflection. Well, how about translation?
No,
Okay, so the answer is correct. Next, which of the transformation has same shape and same size as the object and image? I want Muhammad Zaifah.
Reflection, teacher.
Reflection only. How about translation?
Translation. Oh, I'm sorry. Translation and reflection.
Okay, correct. Okay, next, which of the transformation will be moved to the left or right? Okay, Muhammad Haziq.
Translation.
Translation.
Yes.
Yes, correct. Okay, the last one. Which of the transformation will have a mirror image with the object? Muhammad Fizi?
Reflection, teacher.
Reflection. Okay, correct. So, that's all for today. We will continue our chapter for next week. But before that, do you have any question?
no, teacher.
No, teacher.
Question, teacher.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you,
Have a
teacher.
nice
Bye.
day.
Bye-bye.
See.